at it. Back and check. So over here. And we also need 2 pieces of plastic. You can cut up the leftover folders. So you can backtrack one hole. So if I lip stitch across and lip stitch back, I can do cross. So this is what it looks like. And this is a lot stiffer than this one, you see?